Anisur Rahman, Managing Director for Astha Bahumukhi Samabay Samiti Limited. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation on history from University of Dhaka. Then I have completed my professional degree on education and business administration from Bangladesh Open University. I start my career with BRAC and completed with Winrock International as entrepreneur development officer. Currently, I am working with Astha Bahumukhi Samabay Samiti Limited as founder and managing director.